Hello Computing. The topic for today is how to use the if formula in Excel. In cell E32, enter a formula that uses functions to display the name of the room. Here we have a table with a number of attendees for an event, and you're supposed to write a formula in the cell E32 to determine which room will be given depending on your attendee capacity. To do this, you need an if condition. So it goes like this. Equals to if, open close bracket. The condition you're checking for is whether this value is less than or equals to the capacity, and if it is, then it's hibiscus. To go to the next line, press alternate enter. If, open close bracket again is E31, so E31 less than or equals to 50, then it's orchid, and then alternate enter again, if condition, open close bracket, and this value is E31 again, less than or equals to 70, then it's jasmine. You could also add in exceeded capacity, so over here we'll just put exceeded. Now let's take a look how this works. So right now my attendee is 30, so it's a hibiscus room, which is correct. Let's try 50, that's orchid. Let's try 70, it's jasmine. Let's try 71, exceeded. And this is how you use the if formula in Excel.